designer sent over an ASB file and you need to load their custom color palette into Photoshop. This is a swatch book file from Adobe's color management system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import these color collections. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn ASB files. A user searching for ASB files is a graphic designer or digital artist looking to use, share, or install a custom color palette in Adobe Photoshop. These files store a collection of color swatches, allowing for consistent color usage across different projects and collaboration between team members. The ASB format is a proprietary binary file designed by Adobe. It efficiently stores an array of color data, typically defined in models like RGB, CMYK, or Lab. The binary structure allows for quick loading and parsing by Photoshop, making the color swatches immediately available in the user interface without significant processing overhead. The specific reading module for ASB files is provided by Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows can identify the file but not its underlying structure, so compatible tools must be used. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your ASB file and select Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If your ASB file will not open yet, do not panic. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the ASB file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, loading in Photoshop. Place the ASB file in the Adobe Photoshop Color Books folder, typically at Program Files Common Files Adobe Color Books on Windows. Restart Photoshop and access the swatch book via the Color Picker dialog Color Libraries drop-down menu. Next, using an Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator and InDesign also recognize ASB files placed in the same Adobe Color Books directory. Open the Swatches panel and select Open Swatch Library to load the imported color book for use in vector graphics and page layout projects. Finally, converting to ASE. Use Adobe Photoshop or third-party tools like Adobe Swatch Exchange Utilities to convert ASB swatch books to ASE format. ASE provides broader compatibility with non-Adobe design applications, including Affinity Designer and CorelDRAW for cross-platform color workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.